got some Paw Paw history in the making here. It is November 24th, 2022. I harvested Paw Paws at the very end of September 24th, 2 months ago, 8 weeks, and I've had them in the refrigerator, and I've just pulled one out on Thanksgiving Day, and it's still delicious. It's still got perfectly creamy, smooth pulp to it. It's super sweet. It has aromatic notes. I've kept the Paw Paw for 2 months in the refrigerator. Part of the trick to this is that I cut the pellicle. I cut with scissors the pellicle instead of ripping the flesh when you harvest the fruit, which would ripen it more quickly. No one's been allowed to touch this Paw Paw, which would bruise it as well. It's been on bubble wrap in the refrigerator since I hand harvested it, and it has gone 8 weeks in the refrigerator, and it's still tasty. Happy Thanksgiving.